Hey, March may have been Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month, but really the need to have more people screened, it's a year-round thing. KENS 5's Jeremy Baker took a look at a new blood test for the disease, which will ideally get more people to the doctor to be tested.
New Harris poll found at least 9 out of 10 primary care doctors were concerned about their patients who do not get screened. The survey showed dire numbers and reasons why people keep putting off this urgent exam.
Getting screened, getting it caught early gives physicians the opportunities to actually be curative in their treatments, which is the best benefit to the patient who hears of this terrible diagnosis.
Colorectal cancer is one of the most treatable forms of cancer when caught early. It has a survival rate of 90%, but 1 in 3 Americans aged 45 and over are not up to date with screening. That's 50 million people behind on getting the exam.
The guidelines indicate that you should be getting screened if you're 45 and above, right? That's the conversation to have with your physician about the right test and the right type of timing between tests if you're negative.
The Harris poll also found some of the top screening barriers patients say that keep them from getting screened, including perceptions of an unpleasant prep process, discomfort with a colonoscopy, and the disgust at handling stool samples. But a new non-invasive blood test hopes to relieve some of the stress when it comes to the screening.
The blood test is really exactly like any other blood test that a physician orders. There's no prep involved. It could be done at the office or anywhere that lab work is completed.
For more about the blood test for colorectal cancer, we have a link with this story on KENS5.com. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5.
And please keep in mind, colorectal cancer is one of the most common forms of cancer, and early detection is the key to beating it. That's why we're partnering with the Get Your Rear in Gear 5K Run Walk. It's going to help raise money for local community programs. The run is this Sunday, April 6th. It's at Morgan's Wonderland Sports. If you'd like more information, go to KENS5.com/KENSCares.